Personality rights. Why in the news? Recently, Delhi High Court granted protection to a famous Bollywood actor's personality rights from misuse by third parties. About personality rights refer to the right of a person to protect his/her personality under the right to privacy or property. It includes name, voice, signature, images, or any other feature easily identified as markers of personality. It is significant to protect privacy of individuals' right to derive economic benefits out of their personality traits, and consumers from misleading advertisements. Personality rights in India. Personality rights or their protection are not expressly mentioned in any statute in India, but are traced to fall under the right to privacy and the right to property. Two components of personality rights. Right to publicity. Right to keep one's image and likeness from being commercially exploited without permission or contractual compensation. It is governed by statutes like the Trademarks Act, 1999, and the Copyright Act, 1957. Right to privacy, right to not have one's personality represented publicly without permission. It is broadly governed under the Article 21 of the Constitution and the Supreme Court judgment in Justice, K.S. Puttaswamy, Red Reichssides, Case, 2018. Posthumous Personality Rights Emblems and Names, Prevention of Improper Use, Act, 1950, protects unauthorized use of few dignitaries' names and symbols listed in its schedule. IPC. If negative reference or derogatory representation is made to any deceased person's reputation or their family, defamation suit can be filed under the Indian Penal Code, trademark law. It ensures the benefit to refrain others from using others' name unjustifiably, in addition to personal right to sue them for the misuse of others' name. Judicial interpretations. Titan Industries, Vis Rajkumar Jewelers Case, 2012. Delhi High Court stated that personality rights include the right to not intrude upon their private space or solitude, publicly disclose sensitive facts, misrepresent their image publicly, or use their name to be unjustly enriched. Deepa Jayakumar v. Al Vijay Case, 2019. Madras High Court held that personality rights cease to exist after the death of the personality and cannot be inherited by legal heirs. Sakshi Malik v. Venkateshwara Creations PVD, Limited and AMP, Ors Case, 2021. Bombay High Court held that using another's image, and most especially a private image, without consent is illegal. Arun Jaitley v. Network Solutions Private Limited and Ors Case, 2011. Delhi High Court stated the popularity or fame of individual will be no different on the internet than in reality. Challenges in enforcing personality rights in India. Conflict with the Constitution. Conflict between right to publicity, media's right to publish and inform public about matters of public interest, and citizens' right to know under Article 19. Absence of legislative framework. There is no existing comprehensive legislative framework to govern various facets of personality rights, such as transferability of publicity rights. Dark patterns. Deceptive internet techniques and generative AI are difficult to regulate, which can infringe on individuals' right to privacy and publicity. Personality rights under international convention. There is no explicit international convention or treaty on protection of the publicity rights till date. However, certain publicity rights can be derived from following international conventions. Rome Convention, 1961. It protects performers' rights, phonogram producers' rights, and broadcasting rights. TRIPS Agreement, 1994. It secures certain rights of the phonogram, producers, live performers, and broadcast rights. WIPO performances and phonograms. Treaty, WPPT. It protects rights of performers and phonogram producers, particularly in digital environment.